Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 of class 11 business studies, that is social responsibility of business and business ethics. And my subtopics are meaning and elements of business ethics. After watching this video, you will be able to understand meaning of business ethics and elements of business ethics. Now, what ethics means? Actually, ethics are something near to moral values like honesty, respect elder, speak truth, etc. Do not speak lie, etc. We used to teach our children this is right or this is wrong in their childhood. These are the things you have to do, and these are the things you do not have to do, like be honest, be truthful, respect elder, be punctual, etc. So these are ethics for individual. Such things are called ethics. Now, what are business ethics? Doing the right things and making the life good. Means if business is doing the things which do not harm the society, which are good for the society, which are helpful for the society, which satisfy the needs of all the stakeholders of the society, those are business ethics. From social point of view, business exists to supply goods and services to the people. But from individual point of view, the primary objective of business firm is to earn profit. One may expect that the individual goal of firm would not be in conflict with the objective of the society. So they said that business have to earn profit with satisfying needs of the society also. However, business enterprises are run by human beings whose decisions and actions may not always be in accordance with the expectations of the society. How? Because a business enterprise may be good in terms of economic performance like revenue, cost, performance, etc., but poor in terms of social performance like supplying goods at reasonable prices and of good quality. This raises the question of what is right and what is wrong from social point of view, because business is part and parcel of the society, so it is the responsibility of the business to do something for the society. So what business ethics actually means? Ethics are concerned with what is right and what is wrong in human behavior, judged on the basis of standard form of conduct of individual as approved by the society. Means business have to do the conducts which are good for the society, which are not harm the society. Business ethics refers to the socially determined moral principles which should govern business activities. Means business have to do all its activity in the limits of the society. Business ethics concerned itself with the relationship between business objective, practices, techniques and the good of the society. Means business have to fulfill its objective but with the good of the society. There is a growing realization all over the world that ethics is vitally important for every business and for the progress of any society. Ethical business is good business. Ethical business behavior improve public image, earn people's confidence and trust and learn to greater success. Ethics and profits go together in the long term. If business is earning profit with satisfaction of needs of the society, that business can survive for long term in the market, that business can take confidence, earn confidence of the public, and that business will be, may achieve a great success in the future. An ethically responsible enterprise develops a culture of caring for people and environment and commands a high degree of integrity in dealing with others. Ethical activity is indeed valuable in itself for its own sake, because it enhances the quality of our lives and that of the work we do. So, ethics are concerned with establishing linkage between individual good and social goods. Means business is achieving its objective with the social good, that is business ethics. For every business, it is very necessary to follow all the ethics. If business will not follow the business ethics, that business cannot survive for long run in the market. If business want confidence of the customers and society, then business have to implement business ethics. Our next topic is elements of business ethics. First point, top management commitment. Higher level managers need to be openly and strongly committed to ethical conduct. Actually, top managers are responsible to frame policies for the organization. They should continuously try and uphold the values of the organization and society. If they try continuously, and if they are committed to follow business ethics in the organization, in such organization definitely business ethics can be followed very easily. If top management is framing such policies which follow business ethics also, so that organization can easily follow the business ethics. Second point, publication of a code. Code refers to the written ethical programs followed by a particular business or industry, which normally covers the areas of honesty, adherence to laws, product safety and quality, and fairness in all dealings. Code are written statement. In these statements, what is right and what is wrong to be written. There must be a code in every organization, and that code must be published, and in that code everything should be written which is right and which is wrong, which are do's and don'ts. Everything must be written in the code of conduct, publication of code, so that every employee is very much clear about what is wrong and what is right in the organization, so they can easily follow the right and wrong behavior in the organization. Third point, establishment of compliance mechanism. Simply having a written code of ethics is not sufficient. The business needs to ensure its effective implementation at all levels and throughout the life of the business. Because if top management have framed the policies for business ethics, but if those ethics are not reached at all the levels of management, then policy formulation will be wasteful. Those policies will be successful only in case when there will be proper compliance mechanism, proper reports are taken from all the employees of the organization. In that situation only business ethics can be followed in the organization. For example, paying attention to the values and ethics at the time of recruiting employees, hiring employees, at the time of training of employees, etc. So everywhere business ethics to be followed in the organization. Fourth point, involving employees at all levels. To make ethical business a reality, employees at all levels must be involved. For example, a small group of employees can be formed to discuss important ethics policies of the firm. While framing policies regarding business ethics, employees from all the levels to be included so that they have the motivation in their mind that they are also important part of the organization. Because of that, management is involving them in the decision making. And second thing management can do, suggestions must be invited from all the employees of the organization, and employees who are giving good suggestions, their suggestions must be implemented in the organization, and such employees should be rewarded. In this way, easily business ethics can be implemented in the organization. Next point, measuring results. Measuring the results of ethical programs may be difficult because these are non-monetary, and it is very difficult to measure the non-monetary things, but can have an audit at regular intervals to monitor compliance with ethical standards and decide about further course of action. But management can develop some criteria on the basis of which management can measure the results of business ethics. Time to time, business have to check the actual performance of business ethics. If business ethics are not fulfilled in the organization, answers to be taken from the employees which are responsible for non implementation of the business ethics, and such employees should be punished, and in future corrective measures to be taken to follow the business ethic. So these are the points or elements of business ethics from the help of which any business can follow or implement business ethics in the organization. Now it's time to recapitulate the topics we have discussed today. First topic we have done, meaning of business ethics. Business ethics refers to the socially determined moral principles which should govern business activities. Second topic we have discussed, elements of business ethics. First point, top management commitment, publication of a code, establishment of compliance mechanism. Fourth point, involving employees at all levels. Fifth point, measuring results. Now, I am assigning you some questions on the basis of topics we have discussed today. Question number 1, explain meaning of business ethics. Question number 2, explain various points of elements of business ethics. Third question, develop and put in writing a code of ethics for use in the classroom. I hope all of you are clear about the topics we have discussed in this video. Thank you everyone.